Children Arise works with underprivileged families in a slum community called Kosovo on the edge of Kampala, Uganda. The Arise Community Program helps struggling mothers create small businesses so that these families can begin to thrive. When Arise encounters a struggling family, a discovery phase is undertaken to determine who they are, what obstacles are causing them to struggle, and if Arise has the capacity to help. Families that have a single parent, poor education, and few resources are usually accepted into the program if they're willing to learn and work hard. In the discovery phase, the Arise team builds a family profile and establishes a relationship in order to consider how to help. In the startup phase, Arise educates the mama in order to prepare her to support her family financially, physically, and emotionally. During this time, her rent and food are provided by Arise in order to help her focus on study and planning. With her full attention, Mama studies a number of topics including wellness, savings, and business. After training, Mama practices her new business skills by researching, planning, and costing one or more business ideas. Examining the profit projections with Arise staff, each mama will eventually decide on one or more business ideas to launch. In the growth phase, Arise provides an initial amount of capital to start up the pre-planned and vetted business. The team works alongside the mama to acquire the items necessary for operation as well as stock. The mama then begins working to establish herself and her business. During this time, Arise pays careful attention to the mama, offering advice and encouragement. Problems often occur, but mamas have the support of the Arise care workers and leaders to analyze and address any issues. During the growth phase, Arise works with each mama to reach specific goals. These include being able to reliably pay their rent and food, saving some money for a rainy day, even just a little, maintaining family health to reduce medical costs and time away from their business, maintaining business records so that they are able to analyze their success, and articulating and planning ways their business can be grown. In the final phase of the program, mamas reach one of three typical outcomes. They may see their business is growing well and they have reached the goals set by Arise. In these cases, Arise provides a top-up of funds to help them grow their business based on their already developed growth plan. In this case, the mother is mentored further as she implements her plan before graduating and becoming a lioness. Alternatively, some mamas find their small businesses are providing their families with a stable source of income, but they were not able to meet the goals set out. In these cases, the mama still graduates and becomes a lioness. However, without business records and a growth plan, Arise does not invest further in their business. Finally, a small percentage of mamas are less cooperative. They are not easy to collaborate with, and they are unwilling or unable to target the goals. In these cases, Arise blesses them and lets them move on with their own plans. Mamas who have succeeded in reaching graduation are invited to become members of the Lioness Group. This new role allows them to act as examples to new mamas and access further mentoring and training from Arise. These mamas are honored as they and their families grow. Arise has been working with struggling families in Uganda for years now, and the Arise Community Program is changing lives. Leveraging education, entrepreneurship, and love, many children are now living in homes where nurture, nutrition, and education exist.